G'day. Well, I'm out at the electronics store. I just went to immigration to find out about my passport because my visa expires today, and I don't know. My brother-in-law came with me. He talked to him. He walked out with me and said, "Hum sao, no problem." But I don't know what that actually means. I don't know whether it means I'm okay for 30 days or I'm okay for a month or 2 months or whether I need to go and see him again tomorrow or what. But anyway, but I just thought I'd buy a toaster on the way home, like a sandwich maker toaster. And so I've come to the electronic goods store, and you've got to wash your hands, and then you've got to sit on the queue and wait for them to call you. There's only a couple of people allowed in the store at one time, and everybody's got to have masks on. And yeah, but anyway, so still up in there a bit. But last night at the Big C I found a decent bit of leg ham, smoked ham. I took it home, I tried it, it was quite nice, and so that with some cheese and a toaster, and I'll be able to make a decent toasted ham and cheese sandwich, and after 3 months that'll be bloody nice. So toasted ham and cheese sandwich and a beer. You know, life couldn't be any better at the moment. It's the small things. But anyway, you know, it's amazing how in love with your own food and culture you are, because you know, I've been here 3 months and I eat and I'm full, but I always feel hungry. You just feel like you're not satisfied. It's something different about rice compared to bread when you eat it. Anyway, so that's me. But I guess when they let me into this shop, I'll go and see. I hope they're not disappointed, because if I go in and it's too dear, I'll be walking back out again. That'll disappoint some sales rep. Anyway, but this is why Vietnam, you know, like America at the moment's got 700,000 cases of coronavirus. It's April 22. You know, a month ago they had half that. You know, like or 100,000 or something. It's just gone out of proportion. And here, you know, we're right next to China and Wuhan, and there's 200 cases in Vietnam and no deaths, 0 deaths. 100 million people living really close to each other, 0 deaths, and only 200 cases, and a lot of those were foreigners that come into the country, and they all got treated and no one died. Come on. So that's me being called. So now I get to come in. Xin chào. Okay, so now I got to find the toasters, kettles, juices, bread makers. I think they're bread makers, or probably rice cookers. Yep, those things. You know what, I don't think I'm going to find a toaster in here. Like, they've got these little ovens, but I wonder whether these guys have got the same floor on their dockets that tell you the bottom price as the other company did. Don't know. Anyway, toasters. Yep, a toaster might be something you've got to bring in from Australia, because that's a whole shop full of appliances, and not one way to toast bread, or, you know, make a sandwich. Like a toasted sandwich would be great. I might have to buy a fish grill frame and stick it over you know, stick a bit of banh mi or bread between the fish grill frame. I know. Okay. Xin chào. I can't find toasters for cooking banh mi. Come here. Okay. Alright, well, yep, that was the international sign for I don't know what you're talking about, and So yep, it's not one way to cook toast or to cook bread in Vietnam, in this whole appliance shop. You can juice things, you can make things cold, you can, you know, cook some rice, but you can't cook bread, not in the form of toast or a sandwich maker anyway. So it looks like Vietnam's still got a lot of appliances to sell to its consumers, and so it's going to be a long while before they run out of domestic demand. Anyway, alright, like, comment, subscribe, share. I'm going to go home.